In this video, we're revealing 5 amazing desk gadgets from Amazon that are perfect for both home and office use. From smart organizers to powerful, game-changing tools, these gadgets will boost your productivity and make your desk setup more efficient than ever. Let's check them out. Number 1. Note Tower Whiteboard. This is the first of its kind color-changing whiteboard. It combines the productivity-boosting benefits of a whiteboard with the proven motivational effect of colored lighting and an erasable screen. It's perfect for to-do lists, study notes, and brainstorming ideas. It will help you accomplish your tasks and achieve your goals. It keeps your tech right at your fingertips. It increases your study flow and helps improve student grades. This is a must-have desk gadget because productivity has never been easier. Number 2. BONTEC Arm Rest. This is an ergonomic armrest for your desk, designed to improve comfort during office work. It helps you complete your tasks with ease and better posture. The clamp-on design makes installation simple, letting you attach it securely to your desk in minutes. Its adjustable height provides comfortable support throughout your workday. It also features full 360-degree rotation for flexible positioning, with a maximum weight capacity of 12 kilograms. This armrest is built to be strong and durable. Number 3. Keyboard Cleaning Kit. This is a keyboard cleaning kit designed for your keyboard and other devices. It has a soft brush that won't scratch your keyboard. The kit comes with a spray for cleaning your laptop, mobile, and tablet screens. It can easily clean your phone and iPad screens. It also includes many small, handy tools to clean your other important electronic or digital accessories. The replaceable accessories feature is a great addition for your convenience. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to carry wherever you go. Number 4. Cube Productivity Timer. This is a gravity sensor timer with 1-second flip timing, perfect for your desk or office work. It has a gravity mode. Just move the button to position 1. Flip the timer so the desired number is facing up to start induction timing. Flip it face down to clear the timer. Flip the screen facing up to automatically pause instantly. You can adjust the volume for silent timing and switch to manual mode by moving the button to position 2. Press the middle button to start the countdown and set your time as needed. It offers 3 prompt modes: silent, vibrate, and sound. Number 5. Desk Charging Station. This is a 45-watt fast charging station designed for your work desk. Simply attach it securely to your desk using the sturdy desk clamp. It offers multiple charging slots for all your devices. You get 5 AC outlets and 4 USB-C ports to meet your charging needs. It can power your earbuds, tablet, phone, and other electronic accessories all at the same time. This charging station is a must-have addition to your desk and office setup, making your workspace more efficient and organized. You'll find all the gadgets featured in this video linked below in the description. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.